Good afternoon, America. Time now 1600 hours, and it's April 5th, 2024. You know, there's a great concern in New York City right now, and I had warned the management in New York City that there will be earthquakes and upheavals in our nation. And that's because of change in the world's polar axis. There will be other diverse areas that would entail the activities of volcanoes and earthquakes in other diverse places in the world, and specifically around the Atlantic area and the Pacific area, the circle of fire. I have warned many people on social media and other means. So take precautionary tactics. And I advise you who are in tall buildings, tall structures, those older structures in New York, I advise you that be prepared and be very careful and safe-wise. And I would suggest that the prepared nations, organizations be at an alert situation. Those specifically in the emergency groups and branches of the fire department and other crisis management branches of the United States and New York City. Be advised, this is not a game or a hoax I am playing. I have been doing quite a bit of research in the geo status of our world. We have a numerous amount of earth fixtures in our world, which are now becoming active, as there are volcanoes present. And I had warned at a previous time about this becoming a fact. So I advise all who are in New York City to be on the alert. Don't take this for granted. And don't just pass it away as if it was another day, because it's not. Be advised, beware of your surroundings. And again, I say, watch those tall structures, the older structures. God bless all of you. Stay safe. Protect the innocent. Be well.